Alright, let's get started with Maya. We've got it open here, and there are a couple things we need to do right off the bat. The first thing is to change our menu bar up at the very top here so that it matches what we're going to be doing, which is modeling. And we're going to be modeling using polygons. So I go up here where it says animation or something else, and there's a pull down here, and I change that to the polygons menu. And we should see up here now mesh, edit mesh, proxy, normals, all that kind of good stuff. The next thing I'm going to do is change my shelf. And I have these shelf tabs up here, and I'm going to set this to polygons as well. So there's our polygons tab. Click that. And we should have a shelf that looks something like this. You won't have all these extra things on here. Those are things I think I added. But it should look more or less like that. And the next thing I'm going to do, just to kind of clean things up a little bit, is to go up here to display UI elements, and I'm going to turn off the time slider, so now that disappears from the bottom, and I'm also going to turn off the range slider. Since we're not going to be using we're not going to be animating this quarter, I don't really need to have that up there. It just gives me a cleaner interface. I also show you that just so you can know that if you accidentally change something to your interface that you don't like you accidentally close the channel box over here and it goes away in the attribute editor and you want to get those back, you can just go up here to display UI elements attribute editor, display UI elements channel box, and they'll come back. Let's move on to making our first box.